guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing some updated classic pin-up-y makeup. It's great for barbecues. A lot of people wear this makeup look around 4th of July and in the summer because it's just like so classic and kind of looks effortless and, you know, like really wears well with some jean shorts and like maybe a cute bandana or like headpiece, head scarf, headpiece, headband, you know what I'm trying to say, head accessory. And so we're just going to do something kind of pin-up-y, and it's been a while since I've done like a full face on my channel, so I thought that we would do that. Also, filming another video, I will link it here for you. It is on like a faux blowout look, so stay tuned for that. To prep the skin, I'm going to use Touch n Soul's Primer Essence. It's basically like a mattifying water. I really like it for summer. It's very lightweight. It definitely helps to make my skin look kind of effortlessly beautiful without actually being heavy on my skin, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do a little color correcting because I need it. You might not need this because, you know, you might be young and gorgeous. Some of us are 30 and over and we need a little color correcting in our lives. So I'm going to do a little underneath my eyes as well as some of my blemishes and a little bit of like these yellow bits around my face, around my mouth and my eyes. And the colors that I'm using are green and like a lavender. I'm using the e.l.f. color correcting stick in Correct Red, which is green, and then the Dragon Beauty color corrector in lavender. Blending that out. Once you're blended out to your liking, move on to foundation. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. This is one that I got a while back. It's pretty old. You use whatever foundation works for you. I know some people in the summer like a lighter foundation. I run full coverage all year round. This is a little bit lighter coverage in my opinion. It's still pretty full coverage. But I feel like this gives my skin a little bit of a more summery glow rather than kind of like that harsh matte finish that I desperately love all year round but oftentimes use in the winter. So we're just trying to use this bottle up because also I'm trying to use up the makeup that I have before buying new. It's not easy, let me tell you that. I'm going to go off camera and do my eyebrows. I'm going to use the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. It just takes a little, it takes me a minute to use it, so it might not be the best for on camera. If anybody would like a video on how to use the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen or how I use it, let me know in the comment section below. It's super simple, but it does take a little bit of practice. But it gives me the most like natural brow because I have a lot missing on top. So yeah, I'm going to go off camera do this and then we'll be back for some eyes. We're back with eyebrows, clean them up a little bit, also prepped the eye with a little bit of concealer. What I used was the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is the star of the show, the like pin-up-y look. What I'm going to start with is Naked Cosmetics Mica Pigment in Sierra Nevada. It is just a super shimmery loose powder. And I'm going to take it on my finger. And I'm just going to tap it all over my lid and up into like my crease, up to the, not up to the brow bone, but kind of blend it out towards the brow bone just with my finger. Just to give ourselves a little bit of sparkle. And then to add a little bit of depth to the eye, you could go right in with your big bold wing, because that's what we're doing, is a black wing. However, I feel like my eyes need a little bit of depth. I never felt like my lids kind of lent to the, you can't put a transition in and just do a wing. So I'm going to just take some bronzer, and I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. on a Morphe M514, which is like a little fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit of bronzer right into like the outer cornery crease situation. Just so that on my little bit of like a hooded lid situation, it gives just a little bit more depth versus not. You could definitely probably skip this step. I just feel like for my little bit of a hooded lid, I like it. I just think that it works a little bit better. Personal opinion. Alright, now since I'd like to do a wing and I don't really want to mess it up, I'm going to use a shadow shield that I just cut in half, and I'm going to plop that right on my face. And I guess you could have plopped them on before you did the mica powder and the bronzer, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm going to then do my wing, and I'm going to use the NYX Epic Ink liner. I just feel like it's the best liner that I've used that doesn't have a smudge or anything. And I would like to try to do a bold wing. We will see what actually happens. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of a liner brush and some micellar water and clean up that liner because it did not work out the way I had anticipated it. So the one side is very thick, the other side isn't. I don't know how I did that. Better. It's not the best, but it's better. After you figure out your wing situation, which they're still not really even, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to go in with a little bit of concealer. And again, I'm just going to use that L'Oreal Infallible. And we're just going to smudge it and smudge it and smudge it. To blend it on, I'm going to use a Morphe M334. To finish blending, I'm going to use a dry Real Techniques mini sponge. And then to set just the under eyes, I'm going to use this velour puff that I got from Equate, the Walmart brand. And I'm using the ColourPop No Filter pressed powder in light. And I'm just going to gently press that in. Just underneath my eyes, not like my full face. To finish up the eye look, I'm going to use that butter bronzer underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes. I don't know what lashes I'm going to wear today. I'll wear these. I'm going to use the Tarte Maneater mascara and the Ioni 3D Foam Ink Lashes Wispy Long Crisscross. We're using some lashes today. After you finish your eyes, you're going to move on to blush, bronzer, contour, highlight, all that jazz. So I'm going to use the Wander Beauty Trip for Two bronzer and blush duo. The highlight that I'm using is the Artist Couture Diamond Powder, Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. It is my absolute favorite. And that might have been absolutely way too much, but it's barbecue season. What does it matter? And then for lips, we're doing a classic red lip because, let's be honest here, what is a wonderful summery, barbecue-y, pin-up-y look without a red lip? I like a glossy lip for summer. You do matte, dark, bright, whatever type of red you want to do. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Gloss and then the NYX lip liner in Hot Red. Overline them just a little bit, not too much. That red lip though. Alright, I'm going to go finish filming my other video to figure out this hair. I'm going to go style my hair and then we will be back for the final look for our summer barbecue pinup look. I don't know, I'm feeling it already, you guys. Love it. So here it is, guys. Here's the final look. What do we think? Took the rollers down, or the roller set down, teased the back, teased the bangs. Are we liking this like faux pin-up-y barbecue look? I think it's great. I think it is barbecue ready. I think it's got volume, it's got glam, it's got, you know, effortless written all over it. Ready. You could, you know, again, put like a little bandana on, a little hair ornament or anything like that. I love this look. I love the red lip. I think it's honestly just the red lip that I love. I think that we should be wearing red lips way more often than we do. Do you all agree? Do you not agree? I will link all of the products that I used in the description box below, so if you are interested in any of them, you can check them out on your own time down there. Let me know if you liked this look. Let me know in the comment section. Did you? Don't you? I love it. If you enjoyed it, give a big old thumbs up on this video. Lets me know you liked it. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.